We go start to punish any airline wey no wan accept Naira. Aviation Minister na im talk this one.
The high and the mighty amongst them will be sanctioned if they are caught doing that. NCAA had been directed to swing into action, and once we find any airline violating this, we will definitely deal with them.
Adisirika wey be di aviation minister don tok say dem go start to dey punish any airline wey no wan use naira for payment for airline tickets. Say dis one na violation against di law for Naija. E con get approval from di Federal Executive Council to sign bilateral air service agreement with di state of Kuwait to take open opportunity for air transportation between di two countries. Di council con still give go-ahead for di minister to engage and advise for reapproval for the collection of aviation taxes on behalf of the Nigerian aviation authorities.
There had been instances where there were air crashes in Nigeria due to masts. The one in Jos involving Wasi. Abdullah Wasi was a clear cut of having masts around the airport or in the vicinity or en route, or any other obstruction for that matter. So long as it causes unsafe operations, that needs to be determined, and that needs to be regulated by NCAA. The government will ensure that the law has been enforced. What concerns us in civil aviation is how very safe, secure, and efficient you depart point A and land at point B.
Adisirika con shook mouth on top the allegation from Tori Media wey say they don use 14 billion naira to achieve their objective. Say the matter no true.
The entire amount of money spent on national carrier is around the transaction advisory services. And we came here with a memo with approval, and we dished out to the press as to the quantum of money to be spent. That was 352 million naira. And the further contract of 299 million naira. That's it. I'm very embarrassed by that statement. It's not factual, it's not true. It's meant to mislead people. Federal government is committed to establishing this carrier. We've gone very far. We've found a partner. We are negotiating. We will come to council and get the full business report approved, and then we come here and declare. Nigeria is certainly the candidate for a national carrier. It will happen, and it will ease your transport needs, inshallah.
The Federal Executive Council can approve 829.8 million naira for the completion of the road between Anambra and Enugu states. It talks say this one go help strengthen the road.
It is indeed a very strategic road, and one of the essence of this augmentation is not only because of revising the rates to meet the challenges that the contractor had been facing, but also to ensure that there is more longevity on the road, because another innovation had been introduced that would further strengthen the road. It will give it more longevity, and therefore it will withstand the traffic on that road.
Oluwatobi Odeshola, TMC TV News. Make you now remember, say your PVC na your power. No go sell your vote for any politician or political party.